Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we will show you how to order online from Home Depot. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to shop the latest Home Depot online offers. To start, open the website homedepot.com. Once you're on their website, look for the item you wish to buy through the search bar. In this video, I'm going to buy a garden soil. From the result, click on the particular category or type of the item you wish to buy. Next, select the shipping method either via pickup or delivery. In this video, we chose delivery. Also, select the quantity. Then click on Add to Cart. Once added, click on View Cart. Now, review the items on your cart. If everything's good, click on Checkout. Before you proceed, you need to sign in first. On the field provided, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. If you wish to make your sign-in easier, click on Sign in without a password. Otherwise, click on No Thanks. Then proceed on entering your account password. After entering, click on Sign in. To verify, a verification code will be sent to the phone number connected to your account. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on the Verify button. Once signed in, you can now enter your shipping details. On the fields provided, enter your complete delivery address. Then if you wish to receive updates via text, click on the tick box beside Text me updates on the status of my order. After that, click on Continue. Now, review the delivery options. If it's good, click on Continue. Next, select a payment method. You could use PayPal or a credit card. In this video, we're going to pay using a credit card. Since we haven't added a card yet, we just enter the card details on the fields provided. After that, click on Review your order. After that, click on Review your order. That's how you order online from Home Depot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.